Hello students, today we have to move what I left the 7th sum yesterday's video. So this thing later we have to move the next continuation part. Let us see this. In figure 2.38 the figure has given in your textbook. Altitudes, these are the altitudes AD and CE. AD and CE. Altitudes means height of the triangle. Get to know that AD and CE are the altitudes of the triangle ABC, intersect each other at the point P. They are intersecting means meet at the point P. So we want to show that triangle AAEP, this triangle similar to the DCP or DPC. Second one, triangle ABD similar to the triangle DCB, ABD similar to the triangle CBE, CBE. Okay, the second one is ABD similar to the triangle CBE, and the third one triangle AEP, similar to the triangle ADB, and the fourth one triangle PDC similar to the triangle BEC. This thing want to prove. Let us take the first one, which is the triangle AEP similar to the triangle CDP. Let us take the first one. So if they are given, yesterday only I told you which triangle they ask you to prove to similar, to show the similar, those triangle only how to take. So you have to take the in triangle AEP and in triangle CDP. Okay, so here we can get a 90 degree angle AEP, because here only has mentioned here AEP is a 90 degree because right angle triangle. Angle AEP equal to the angle CDP. You can see here that there will be the right angle symbol. So this is a angle. Just if it should be like that, if it should be like that, this is called as an angle. So if it should be like that, this is called as a right angle. Keep in mind, know the difference between the right angle symbol and the angle symbol. Okay, angle AEP equal to angle CDP. Why it should be? Both are 90 degree. It has given, so that thing we can take. And angle APE equal to this thing, angle APE equal to CPD, because both are vertically opposite angle. We can know that. Okay, which are in a Z shape, they are the alternating, which are opposite to each other, they are called as a vertically opposite. Okay, APE, DCP or CPD, however we can take. Angle APE equal to angle CPD, both are equal. Why it should be? They are vertically opposite angles. VOA short form is vertically opposite angle. So both the angles are equal. So that's why by according to AA similarity criteria, or by AA similarity criteria, we can write what? This triangle AEP similar to triangle CDP. So it is proved. Let us move for the second one. Which one they has given? Triangle. Prove the triangle ABD. Which triangle they has given? That triangle only how to take. In triangle ABD and triangle CBE. In triangle ABD and CBE. So here also we can take a 90 degree in both the angle. See, ABD, here also we can get a ABD and CBE. Here D is a 90 degree and A is a 90 degree. So we can take angle ADB equal to, that is a 90 degree, equal to CEB, that is also 90 degree. CEB. See, both are 90 degree. So for the AA similarity criteria, one more angle we required. Which are those angle? So in both the triangle we can get the common angle. Which angle it is? The common angle, that is the ABD. B is a common letter. Which is the common letter in both the triangle? That should be the common angle. If there is no common letter, we want to take like that, whether it is alternate or vertically opposite, like that we want to make equal. So here BB is a common. So here for the both the triangle, angle B is a common. So we can take angle B equal to angle B. Why? They are the common angle for both the triangle. Common angle. So again, by AA similarity criteria, we can write by AA similarity criteria, we can write triangle. Which triangle they are given? ABD similar to triangle CBE. Okay. So let us take a third one. Which triangle that has given? I told you that triangle only how to take. In triangle AEP and triangle ADB. So in triangle AEP and triangle ADB, so here also we can take a 90 degree. You can check here, because angle E is 90, angle D is 90 degree. So for this AEP, for which one we can take? Angle AEP only. Angle AEP is 90 degree. So that equal to angle in this ADB, right? Angle ADB is 90 degree, because they has given. Okay. And common, which is a common? You can check the letter. Okay, which letter is in both the triangle? That is E not there, not repeated, but A is repeated. You can take angle A, for because angle A is for both the triangle, angle A is common. Angle A equal to angle A. So that is the common angle. It is easy to prove actually. First get to know the method for all the sums, the same method. Okay. So by again AA similarity criteria, so we can tell that triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADB. Yes. Let us move for the fourth one. Fourth one is triangle. Prove that triangle PDC similar to triangle BEC. That thing only how to trick. In triangle PDC and triangle, one more is BEC. Triangle PDC and BEC. So here also we can get a 90 degree, because angle D again 90 degree, angle E. So which angle? So we can take that PDC only. Angle PDC equal to angle, here also, even here also E we can get. BEC is 90 degree. Both are 90 degree. 90 degree means right angle. Okay. And common, you have to check the common here. So any common letter is there, that thing we can take, or if it is not there, we want to search. Yes, we have to check that yes, common letter is there. Which one? The C is a common. Okay. Angle C equal to angle C. Both are common angle for both the triangle. Okay. So therefore we can write what? By AA similarity criteria again. By AA similarity criteria, we can write triangle PDC similar to triangle BEC. Geometry is very easy. Almost you can get within one concept you can get more marks. These are all the 3 marks 4 mark questions. You have to get to know that very easily. You can solve and you can score a mark. Okay. So let us move for the next one. Next sum. So yesterday I teach you up to 11th. Actually we have to move from the 12th sum actually. So which is that? Read the sum first. Sides AB and BC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively. So sides AB, this is a AB, and BC, this is the median for the triangle ABC, which is ADB. Sorry, for the triangle ABC, AD is a median. Okay, respectively they are proportional in the same way PQR. So I mean those sides are proportional to the triangle PQR. For the sides PQ and QR, I mean AB proportional to PQ. So if they are similar, the corresponding sides are proportional, we know that, right? Okay, and AC proportional to PR, BC proportional to QR of the same median. Even here also we can get the same median, that is the PM for the triangle PQR. We want to show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, so let us take that first. So this try to solve first. Okay, it is also very easy. Given, they only given the sides are proportional, so that thing you have to take that. Which are those sides are proportional? AB divided by PQ, corresponding sides are proportional. So BC divided by this, BC divided by QR, that equal to, again last one, that is the AD divided by PM. That has given that. Okay, this median also proportional, AD divided by PM. So we can write is median in the sense it divides the sides equally in the sense AD divides, if BD is 1, CD is 1, so if total BC is 2, if 1 plus 1 it is, if it is a 4, 2 plus 2, like that it has divide. So we can write that BC equal to 2BD, because BD and DC are equal, both are equal, and QM and MR also, both are equal. So if it should be like that, BC equals 2BD we can write, and QR equals 2QM or 2PM we can take. Okay, just you have to think of that, because AD is a median in the sense, and PM is a median, divides the sides equally in the sense, if it should be, okay, if BC is a 5, that should be 2.5, 2.5. If BC is 6, 3 plus 3. Here also if QR is 8, 4 plus 4, like that it divides. Okay, if it should be like that, BD equal to DC here, and QM equal to MR, right? See here, BD equal to DC and QM equal to MR. Okay, so BC in the sense BD plus DC, just I am showing you, BC equals BD plus DC, BC equals BD plus DC. So instead of this DC we can write BD only, BD plus BD, because BD equal DC, no, so instead of DC we can write BD. So BC equals what happen here, 2BD. Hope you will understand now. Okay, in the same way, if we are taken, this is the extra for your understanding, I have given this is the extra, but not mandatory to write in our class book. So let us take this, BC equals what we can write, 2BD. So how we will get 2BD, that is the explanation what I have given. So why it should be, because AD is the median, median in the sense divide the sides equally, clear, huh? Median in the sense divide the sides equally. And also we can write QR equals to QM. Why it should be, here PM is the median, so that's why PM is the median we have to take, QR equals to QM. So in the place of BC and QR, we can add 2BD and 2QM, right? So we have to substitute that AB divided by PQ equals, in the place of BC we can write 2BD divided by, in the place of QR we can substitute 2QM. Okay, equal to remaining thing is same, AD divided by PM, right? Okay, so here it should be 2 will be cancelled, so we can write AB divided by PQ equal to BD divided by QM, that equal to AD divided by PM, AD divided by PM. Okay, next it should be, if it should be like that, so we can take that both are proportional. Which triangles angle ABD? Here QM and PM everything has taken, no? So therefore if the Thales theorem converse we can take here. If the triangles are similar, then their sides are proportional. If the sides are proportional, then the triangles are similar, we can take. So which triangle that should be? So triangle ABD similar to triangle PQM, we can write. Which theorem it is? Keep in mind, converse of BPT. I mean, if the sides are proportional, we can write those triangles are, okay. Here because we are taken a BD divided by QM, so that's why ABD, the half of the triangle PQM, is similar to the ABD, triangle ABD is similar to PQM according to what? Converse of BPT, okay. Yes, this triangle only we have to take now. So in triangle PQR and ABC, which triangle we have to take? That triangle we have to take. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, that thing. So we can write here AB divided by PQ equal to BC divided by QR. BC divided by QR, right? Okay, from where it is? From the equation 1. Here it is already proved, okay. So this thing as how to take. So from equation 1 we can write this as AB divided by PQ, that equal to BC divided by QR, and angle B equal to angle Q we can take. Why angle B equal to angle Q? Because corresponding, this is the corresponding angles of the similar triangle. Here ABD is PQM is no, so that thing corresponding sides of a similar triangle, okay. Write that corresponding sides of similar triangle. Okay, corresponding sides of similar triangle. So now we can write here the two sides are equal, right? AB equal to BC and PQ equal to QR, and angle B equal to angle Q by SAS criteria. So two sides are equal and one angle. So by SAS similarity, by SAS similarity criteria, we can write triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Don't get confusion, it is the SAS. Here one angle should be one angle and two sides we are taken, because if the sides are equal, they are proportional. AB equal to BC and PQ equal to QR, okay. If they are proportional, that sides are also equal, so that's why two sides and one angle, so by the SAS criteria we can prove triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, okay. Hope you will understand. Let us move for the third one. D is a point on the sides BC of a triangle ABC such that angle ADC equal to angle BAC. Show that CA square equal to CB into CD. This is not a point, it should be as a into. We want to read as into because multiplication symbol it is, okay. CA square equals CB into CD. Yes, let us understand the sum first. D, this is the point. D is a point on the side BC of triangle ABC such that angle ADC equal to angle BAC. This both are equal, angle A and angle D. Show that, we want to show that CA square equal to CB into CD. Let us prove that, okay. So we have to take the true triangle. In triangle BAC or ABC and ADC, triangle ADC we can take. So BAC, they only has given angle BAC, ADC equal to angle BAC, angle BAC equal to angle ADC. This has given, they only has given, write in a bracket as given. Next, common angle in both the triangle will be, the common letter will be the common angle C. Angle C is a common, so you can check that. Okay, angle C equal to angle C, that is the common. Okay, by again a similarity criteria, by a similarity criteria we can write triangle ABC similar to triangle ADC, right? Triangle ABC similar to triangle ADC. If the triangles are similar, their sides are also proportional. We know that ABC similar to ADC. If the triangles are similar, the sides are also proportional. Let us take the sides first. So BC divided by AC, this BC divided by AC equal to right angles, okay, equal to the AC divided by DC, this AC divided by DC. So in this, if the sides are proportional, we can write why we have to take this, these are the corresponding sides of the similar triangle. Okay, so if you do the cross multiplication here, what you will get, AC into AC square or CA square, what that's given, that thing only. AC CA both are same, no? CA square equals BC into CD, or we can write CB into CD only. Okay, BC into DC and CB into CD both are same, don't get confusion here. Okay, and AC and CA both are same, however we can write, that should be correct. Okay, we can also write AC square or AC square equals BC into DC, both are same, don't get confusion. Okay, hope you will understand. So the next sum we will continue in the next period.